Hello, dear friends. Today there will be an interesting video test of the Meike Full-Frame Prime Cine Lens 16mm. This video will have 4 parts. In the first part, I will use picture profile number 4 in Sony FX3 cameras without color grading. In the second part of the video will be recorded in C-Log 3 with color grading in DaVinci Resolve. The third part of the video will use cinematic-style color grading in DaVinci Resolve. And in the fourth part, the video will be recorded at night in C-Log 3 with color grading in DaVinci Resolve. I make videos on the streets of cities, so I chose the Meike 16mm lens. I needed a wide-angle lens, and this lens was perfect. The lens is very high quality. Meike has other cinema lenses with different focal lengths. I would be happy to review other lenses, but I don't have any yet. If anyone from Meike sees this video, please write to me. I will be happy to review other lenses if you give them to me as a gift. Also, if other lens companies are watching this video, feel free to write to me. I will be glad to receive your gift. I have many options for permanent and mutually beneficial cooperation. This footage was filmed on a Sony FX3 with picture profile number 4. I like this profile. It creates a natural color space and the video looks amazing. In this video, I use C-Log 3 and color grading it in DaVinci Resolve. I chose the color gamut to my liking, but as you can imagine, C-Log 3 gives you a lot of room for creative interpretation. In this part of the video, I wanted to use cinematic vintage style. Mike Lens makes very high-quality video. I am absolutely delighted with this lens. Let's see if I manage to do color grading in vintage style. I shot this part of the video at night on the streets of Helsinki. I used C-Log 3. The video turned out very high quality. Note that some of the streetlights at night have bright red lights. Look how beautifully the lens captured the video in that bright red color. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you want to explore more urban areas from different countries, be sure to check out my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Please subscribe and join membership.